Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Cpen to exchange they are going to list it called Bitmart. Simply click at your left hand side, three icon. You will see your wallet. Check it now. Now this wallet, I make use of my Trust wallet. Then before they announced the official exchange, they are going to list it earlier April. Now I think that I don't have any BNB to pay the gas fee. If I make use of this wallet address on my Trust wallet, I have nothing to pay. Instead of that, I want to go to my Bitmart and copy the wallet address there and paste it here, so that when they are going to distribute it, it's going to my Bitmart without paying any gas fee. I'll just throw it and get my money to my account, to my bank account. Now, before I proceed on this method of connecting it, let us go to their Twitter handle and get information what they are talking about the exchange they are going to list it. I'm already in Twitter. This is the official handle. This is the official handle. As you can see, this is the official handle of Cpen Network. Now, let us go through their message to the committee. Now, here they're saying about Cpen that is going to list. Here, Cpen Airdrop trading competitions. Win your share of 100,000 USDT in Cpen reward. Campaign period started March 22 to 26 to 25. How to join? Don't have an account? Sign up here. That is those that don't have account on Bitmart exchange. They say you should sign out there. That is how it is, which means officially they are going to list at in Bitmart exchange. Simply. Now here, this is the official side. You can go through it and get more information concerning it. Which other side? Now look at here. They say that the second one, this was 4 days ago, they tweeted it. They say that we are going to announce that Cpen will officially be listed on Bitmart in early April. Exact date coming soon. There's no date yet, but it's coming soon. This achievement showcase the dedications of both teams and the amazing support from our committee. Special thanks to our listing partner. That is the exchange they are talking about. Now, if you don't have an account, you can see the link. You can get it there and download it from your Play Store or your App Store. Now, in addition to your DEX wallet, you now have another option. Simply enter your Bitmart wallet address into your Cpen wallet, and tokens will be delivered direct there. Thanks for your incredible support. Stay tuned. That is where the information is coming from. That I'm urging all of you guys to connect with your Bitmart exchange, because otherwise you will pay gas fee for you to swap or to transfer to the exchange. Now let us go and copy our wallet address in Bitmart exchange. Watch. Why? Okay, this is a Bitmart exchange. Click here. Click here, deposit. Search BNB. This is the first one. As you can see, the first one, click on it. Look at the point you're going to arrive. Now, this one that is showing suspended, don't copy that one. Don't copy it. Click the first one that you are seeing, BSC, BNB Smart Chain, BIN 20. Click it like this. You confirm it. Now, this is my wallet address. I have to copy it. Let me go back to my Cpen app. I have to remove this and submit new wallet address. Saved. Successful. That is how you can do it, guys. It's very simple. Now let us go home. This is it. And if you miss this Cpen airdrop, don't fade out in ink. Ink is going to pay massively. Thanks for watching this video. If you have never subscribed, do it to subscribe and turn your notification bell on for the next video. Bye.